Hello everyone, this is Railway Rashad, and I just made another Thomas wooden railway layout. It's really big, but not as big as you see on the other YouTubers. I just um show you a tour around my layout for a second, and then we can get started. Well, let's just hold it. Now let's start academic sheds. Um, the sheds is crowded right now, so yeah. So hold on, go with no, never mind. As you can see, we have the engine shed. At the engine shed, we have the door. We have Thomas. We have Percy, Lady, and Rosie keeping Thomas company while he's not doing any work for now. Since his accident he had in the episode Mavis helps Thomas. If you take a look at it on YouTube, so yeah. And here's the Topham hat, talking to Henry Boko, James, Edward, Donald, Douglas, Stepney, Stanley, and Mavis. This. And let's go over here to Nafford Station. Whoops. Not over this and then, yeah. There we go. Over here we have, here we have, Nafford Station and the yards. Over here we have, Jeffrey pulling the, New Jersey Transit passenger cars that I got from Grand Central Station last month. And there's Patriot with the SEPTA coaches. I know you have old slow coach Emily and Dominic pulling their respective coaches. And this coach I'm gonna make it into Etienne. Yeah. So yeah, be on the lookout for that video where I make Etienne. And here's Anthony. And over here, Steve, in my series will be used as a station master. And here's the conductor. And Anthony's right here. And here's Romy leaving with his train. And there's Ennis with the fuel cars and the oil car as well. And Phil is going something some flatbeds. Well, anyways, let's go on Thomas's Square Train. On Thomas's Square Train we got the New York City bus that I got another thing that I got from Grand Central Station. And then we have Toby at Hackenback Station with Birdie and some children and Birdie's driver. And what you're looking up here is the Hackenback crossing thing. It's not really much of a crossing because of the rail lights are be in front of the railroad crossing sign. So yeah, there's the school sign as well. And goes over the switch. Here's Gregory with some great cards. And Rickety. And here is for Farquhar. Here's Daisy pouring the milk. And Robert with Thomas's coaches under 10 years in America coach. And there's Terrence. Oh, and there's the for Farquhar Constable. And there's Norman with the circus train cards. And yep, that's, wait a minute. Let's go on this line. This line goes to Netford Yards, and there's Spider and Dodge pouring a train of yogurt. Goes under the bridge, and there's Derek with Hector and the three non-troublesome freight cars, and this musical caboose right here. This caboose will let me just there we go. This caboose will be known as Carlos. Well, it's in the episode Carlos the Caboose, so yeah. And here's Netford Sheds. Here's, whoops, my foot is showing, sorry. Here's Murdoch, Molly, and Chris. And Hank's right there. And there it goes all the way right down the line to where Ned is, was pouring a jewel car and a box car. And there's Mackenzie, the pouring empty freight cars and the caboose. It goes all the way to Netford Harbor. Here's Stafford and Paxton at the sighting where Percy had an accident. And here's Sydney with a flour barrel car. And there's Alejandro the steamboat. And there's Duck and Oliver with pulling a train. Along with Toad. And there's Bulstrode with a new freight car. Anyway, what's go on this line? This line goes to where Bill and Ben are. Goes around here. Here's Neville. Goes over the bridge to where Archie and Billy are. Billy is on the a train of eggs, milk, hay, and flour. And here's Archie pouring the old and gem cars, along with the along with the coward caboose. And it goes back to Netford Station. Anyways, let's go over here. Here's Frank. And here's the Old Steel Railway. It's not really much of a railway because it has an overlift track. If you take a look at CT Ben and Thomas Witten Railways, yeah. Unfortunately, CTI Ben's YouTube there's something wrong with CTI Ben's YouTube channel, so yeah. But anyways, here's Mike, Rex, and Logan. Logan is pulling the coal cars, and Fred. Oh, and there's Elizabeth. Goes around, and here's Melissa and Harvey. Oops, I'm fixing it there. there's Harvey helping, Harvey and Melissa and Rocky helping clearing up the mess that Bert and Charlie had. It's like the characters there's on top of the like the singers on top of the tape, and then always says those 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 cars will get the engines every time. Silly freight cars. But anyways, let's go back to the harbor. Go around. Here's Diesel. Uh-oh. There we go. There's Diesel. There we go. There's Diesel taking a train to the harbor with pipes, oil, and a green cylinder thing. A freight car full of vegetables, and yeah. It goes over the Solar Bay Bridge. Here's Albert. Goes down. There's this little radio repair and Ryan. And it goes over here to Suttery Castle. So yeah, it's been like 1, 2, 3. It's been like 13 years. It's been like 13 seasons since Suttery Castle hasn't been seen lately. Here's Gordon pulling his my custom Green Express filters. And here's Ari and Bert pulling the cookie cars. And there's a one-way sign. The track goes up to the Solar Suspension Bridge. Here's Barry on the coaches. And it goes over the old Iron Bridge, and the emojis down there. Here's Spencer with the Lionel battery powered coach. I'm gonna use that Lionel battery powered coach as Spencer's private coach, and yeah. And here's that board again that I also got from Grand Central Station. Came along with Percy and a cargo car with where Diesel is. And there's Jimmy on the his 6 orange coaches, and there's Mark with the Never Express coach. Also, I'm gonna get I'm probably gonna get the L-Switch station and the L-Switch platform from the mail eventually. So yeah. And yep, I think that's it of my layout. I'll just show you one quick overview. And that is my Thomas One Railway layout. Thank you for watching.